In this video, you'll learn how to integrate ClickUp with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to connect the two tools so they can share information automatically and help you streamline your workflow. Let's start from the very beginning so nothing is confusing. First, make sure you're signed in to your Zapier account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one on the Zapier website and complete the basic sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. This is the central place where you manage your automations, which Zapier calls Zaps. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on the option labeled Apps. This is where you manage all the different services and tools that you connect to Zapier, including ClickUp. When the apps page opens, you'll see a list of apps you've already connected, if any, along with a search bar and a button that lets you add new connections. To start linking ClickUp, look for the button that says Add Connection. It may have a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Add Connection, a search field will appear so you can choose which app you want to connect. In that search bar, type ClickUp. As you type, Zapier will filter the results, and you should see ClickUp appear in the list of available apps. Click on ClickUp to begin the connection process. At this point, Zapier will open a new window or pop up asking you to connect your ClickUp account. If you're not already logged into ClickUp in your browser, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your ClickUp login details directly on ClickUp's secure page. Zapier doesn't store your password. It simply uses ClickUp's official connection method to authorize access. Once you've logged in, ClickUp will ask if you want to allow Zapier to access your workspace. This authorization step is important because it defines what Zapier can see and do, such as viewing tasks, lists, or spaces depending on the permissions available. Review the permissions shown on the screen, and when you're comfortable, click the button to grant access and continue. After you approve the connection, you'll be redirected back to Zapier. You should now see ClickUp listed as one of your connected apps on the apps page. If you click on it, you may see details about the connection, like which ClickUp workspace is linked and options to reconnect or remove it in the future. From here, your integration is set up and ready to use. You can now start creating Zaps that use ClickUp as a trigger, an action, or both. For example, you might create a Zap that automatically creates a ClickUp task when a new form is submitted, or sends a notification when a task is updated. While building those Zaps is beyond the basic connection steps we just covered, having ClickUp properly connected in the apps section is the essential first step. That's all you need to integrate ClickUp with Zapier. Sign into Zapier, go to the apps section, click Add Connection, search for ClickUp, and complete the connection and authorization. Once that's done, you're ready to start automating your workflows between ClickUp and your other favorite tools.